It was sealed away for millions of years, untouched, unseen, and undisturbed. But when the ice finally gave way, what emerged wasn't just ancient, it was horrifying. Scientists expected fossils. Instead, they found something still alive, and what it might mean for the rest of us. That's what keeps them up at night. Our story begins in one of the coldest places on Earth, the East Antarctic ice sheet, a frozen tomb spanning over 5 million square miles, locking away secrets that predate humanity itself. For centuries, it was impossible to dig into, but now, climate change is forcing it open, at an alarming rate. And deep beneath this ancient glacier, scientists drilled through over 3,000 meters of solid ice. What they hit wasn't just unexpected, it was terrifying, because some things weren't dead, they were dormant. Under the Antarctic ice lies a place no human had ever seen, a subglacial lake named Lake Vostok. Buried under ice for at least 15 million years, it's completely cut off from the surface. When researchers finally accessed a sample from the lake in 2012, they thought they'd find simple microbes. But the DNA they pulled out didn't match anything they'd ever cataloged. One sequence? Only 86% similar to known life forms, wildly different from any bacteria on Earth today. And here's where it gets even more disturbing. These organisms evolved in total darkness, under crushing pressure and without oxygen. That means they don't photosynthesize. They don't breathe. They feed chemically off minerals and metal. Think about that for a second. Life, feeding off stone and iron, and not just surviving, thriving in a way we never thought possible. Some experts believe these microbes could be early blueprints for alien life. Others, they warn that reviving them could be catastrophic. When permafrost melts in Siberia, it releases more than water. In 2016, scientists revived a virus frozen for 30,000 years. It infected a host cell within hours, despite being sealed since before the pyramids were built. It was named Pithovirus sibericum. The kicker? It wasn't even the most dangerous thing they found. Another virus, Mollivirus sibericum, had over 500 genes, dwarfing modern flu viruses, which have only 8. The fear? If viruses like this ever mutate to target humans, we have zero immunity. In Greenland, researchers discovered a preserved landscape, soil, twigs, even ancient insect wings, under 1.4 kilometers of ice. That means there was once a living ecosystem, thriving where now only ice exists. Trees, rivers, creatures long gone. So the question becomes, is the ice melting to reveal our past, or to unleash it? Here's the part no one talks about. NASA is using Antarctic subglacial lakes as training grounds to prepare for missions to Jupiter's moon, Europa. Why? Because Europa, too, has a frozen crust and an ocean beneath. Meaning, if there's life under our ice, there might be life out there too. And it might not be friendly. What scientists found under the melting ice wasn't just strange, it was a reminder that Earth isn't finished surprising us, that we haven't discovered everything, and maybe we shouldn't. Because as the ice continues to thaw, what else might wake up? Something ancient? Something alien? Something hungry? Only time and rising temperatures will tell.